I don't even know what all of these actually mean, but just basically apply any discounts that are available to you. What's up, guys? All right, so today for dinner, oh, my hair's a mess. Today for dinner, I am gonna be lazy. I'm gonna order some food off of Grab. It's pretty hot outside, so I really don't feel like walking out there. Let me open up the app and then I'll walk you guys through what I'm gonna do to order some stuff here. Give me 1 second. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and order from a place that I keep getting recommended from one of my uncles, Cala Kitchen. I feel like some kind of more homemade food. He recommended the Sinan, which is basically like little pork spare ribs. And this one is, at least, let me open it up so you guys can see. So on Grab, you can actually, if they have photos, you can zoom in on the photos. It looks like little pork spare ribs fried with fish sauce, chilies, garlic. Looks delicious. That one is 70K. Comes with white rice also. And let's get some green tea. Don't need more. So you just go down here and hit basket. And these options here, in delivery options, you've got different choices as far as how quickly they deliver. Under 30 minutes, around 30 minutes, or over 45 minutes, different price ranges. Or you can schedule delivery for later. And then my total order is 90K plus a service fee of 38. But what you want to do is look down here, go into that option, and start clicking any of these discounts that are available. I don't even know what all of these actually mean, but just basically apply any discounts that are available to you. So instead of 123,000, it drops it down to 101,000, and then place your order. And now it's just processing. All right, cool. So my order went through. Says that, well, I'm gonna get all sorts of notifications now. Says my order should be here in about 25 minutes. So I'm gonna keep tracking it. Once my order gets here, I will be back and I'll show you the food. All right, so another thing I forgot to mention is once your order's gone through, it'll show up on the screen as far as the name of your driver, their license plate number. So when they show up, you'll actually know who's delivering it. And then scroll down below, you can place your tip in there for them. The tip won't actually go through until they deliver the food and they've actually marked that it's delivered. And then let's see, once they pick up the food, this section at the top, this section right here, if you guys can see where I'm tapping, that section at the top will then show up with a map as far as where they're at, along with kind of their progress. All right, so hang tight. I'll be back when the food shows up. So the food arrived. It's lemongrass pork. So let's give this a shot. It looks a lot different than in the picture. And I'm horrible with opening up these bags of sauce. All right. So I'm gonna take the fish sauce, dump it all over, put some on my rice. I need to go find some napkins. I'll be back. So the picture earlier looked kind of like it was spare ribs, but it's basically boneless pork. Let's see how this is. Super tender, very lemongrassy, which makes sense. The rice has more of that like gum broken rice texture, where the grains are very separated. Not complaining about it, just not like your standard white rice texture. But there's the pork. Lots and lots of lemongrass in there. So if you're a fan of lemongrass, it's fantastic. So super simple. This dish came out to include, or I added a bottle of green tea because I needed a drink. This dish plus the green tea came out to 90,000, or sorry, 100,000, which is just under $5, which I can't even get a burger now in the States for under $5, let alone what looks more like a home cooked meal. So yeah, great price for this. I'm gonna finish eating this. Oh, actually, I forgot. They also included a bag of soup, and yeah, still hot. So I don't even need to microwave this. I just need to put this in a bowl. But bag of soup, a drink, and a plate of food for under $5. Yeah, can't beat that. All right, cool. So I will see you guys in the next time. Hopefully, kind of explained how to use Grab. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed on my screen, but he got here at, what time was that? At about 4:40, just past 4:40. So well within the time frame that they said it was going to be here. The food was definitely still hot. The plastic container was still melted because the food was still hot. So yeah, this beats DoorDash any day. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.